Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Chairman Crownover and committee members. My name is Tanya Holla-Mavel, and I'm a Mental Health Policy Fellow with Easter Seals of Central Texas. We are proud to be included as one of the organizations that was listed on Mimi's testimony, though she wasn't able to get through all of them. Easter Seals Central Texas is on that list. Thank you very much. For over 75 years, Easter Seals of Central Texas has been committed to providing quality, person-centered services to children and adults with disabilities. To achieve our goal, we provide a variety of services, including early childhood intervention therapies, affordable housing, employment services, and medical rehabilitation. We are a Medicaid service provider, and we offer services to the full spectrum of eligible populations, putting Easter Seals in a unique position to comment on how an expansion of Medicaid will affect Texans with disabilities. Expanding Medicaid to parents will help children with disabilities access the therapies they need early in life to help them succeed in the future. Some of the most critical services for children with disabilities are the services offered through medical rehabilitation programs. While these services are covered by Medicaid and CHIP, coverage is inconsistent in private insurance plans and can be especially poor in more affordable insurance plans. For families able to afford private insurance, copays can often be burdensome, especially for parents of children with disabilities. As one of the state's largest ECI and rehab providers, as well as the largest in Central Texas, Easter Seals is able to provide some low-income families with medical rehabilitation services using a sliding fee scale. While the sliding fee scale is intended to serve families without insurance, around one-third of enrolled families have private insurance but are unable to afford their copays. Our sliding fee scale only serves a limited number of families, and the demand for affordable services is so high that children have to sit on a waiting list until funds are available for their services. Expanding Medicaid to newly eligible parents will not only ensure that more children with disabilities can receive critical services through providers like Easter Seals, but that their parents will be healthy enough to care for them. Expanding Medicaid will also help working adults with disabilities to live independently. As a provider of employment services, we are well aware of the positive impact that Medicaid expansion will have on the so-called working poor. Easter Seals operates a paid job training program that helps adults with intellectual disabilities, developmental disabilities, and serious mental illness find work. Our clients want to work so that they can live independently. Many of them do not receive Social Security income and do not qualify for Medicaid under current eligibility levels because as child as adults, their incomes are limited but still too high. They can't afford private insurance, leaving them with no other option for obtaining health care coverage. Expanding Medicaid to newly eligible childless adults would help working adults with disabilities to be healthy and productive members of the Texas economy. At Easter Seals, we believe that all people deserve the opportunity to live independently and participate fully in society. As such, we are in very much support of HB 3376. Expanding Medicaid will touch the lives of adults and children with disabilities in a profound way. We encourage this committee to take the steps necessary to thoughtfully expand Medicaid to better serve Texas's most vulnerable citizens, and we thank you all for recognizing the importance of this discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, and we appreciate all the things that the Easter Seals Society does.
Thank you very much, Chairman.